Going short. Hey guys, Jenthe is back. She cheated on me. As a punishment, we're going short. No, just kidding, but we are going short. Are you ready for it?
I'm ready.
Now you guys, see you at the end. Don't forget to hit all the buttons like every YouTuber says. Thumbs up, ring the bell, and subscribe. You can help me grow even further than now. If you enjoy watching these videos, there's a lot of hard work, love, passion, and fun involved. 80% of you hasn't subscribed to the channel yet. You'd help me out big time to grow, and, well, you just make my day. Hit that subscribe button.
Is kleur, maar het is nu wel geklompt.
Ja. What a cool change. Here's the before and the after. Nice and short, no fresh again. This is what we call the Buxie. Number 8, over the crown, on top, clipper towards the front, short on the sides, 1.5 as shortest to keep it nice and covered. And you look incredible. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, ring the bell, whatever. And I'll see you and you in the next video.